Here on the Transparent FX Academy, every day I give you my best market breakdowns, showing you how you can be looking to analyze the market both from a technical and in order flow perspective to identify the best trading opportunities in the forex market. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the charts and see which is today's forex pair. In today's video, I want to speak about EURCHF. Now, why do I want to speak about EURCHF? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. First, I will be covering what we have from a technical perspective on it. We will then go and see what we have from in order flow perspective. So commitment of traders, which is the COT data, so what the non-commercials and the biggest speculators in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, we have a market which has just created a nice M pattern, and we can be looking for the market to complete this M pattern at least at the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg to the downside. In fact, by taking a Fibonacci from this high to this low, we can see how the market here has a 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, currently lining up exactly at this zone that we do expect the market to go and test before then creating a continuation to the downside. So we expect short-term bullish price action before then continuation to the downside. But overall, we expect bearish price action in the long term to develop. Going down on the weekly time frame, we can see even more confirmation of that. In fact, we can adjust our structure by identifying that exactly from here, the market created this rejection to the upside, basically this green candle here, meaning that at this level, we have previous weekly support, which now that the market has broken into the downside is turned resistance here. And we can expect the market to reject to the downside this previous support and resistance, possibly even for the creation of a lower low. Just a quick thing, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comments the topic for the next video that you will like. Going down on the daily time frame, what we can see is that also here on the daily, there is bearish patterns that are currently developing. In fact, we can see how the market has just created this W formation. Now, in general, after the creation of a W, you want to see the market provide a correction at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. And in this case, the impulse leg is from this low to this high, meaning that we expect a correction at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this impulse leg, which at the moment is lining up around this area. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, we can see how lately net positions have been decreasing on the euro. In fact, we went from having 118k net positions down to having 38k net positions with 161k shorts and 199k longs at the moment. However, we do see shorts that started closing with the last report, which is definitely not good for an overall short on the euro. However, still, short-term weakness is definitely possible in this case because we actually have a strong CHF. In fact, we went from having a negative net positioning of 15k shorts and 11k longs to having now more longs than shorts from an institutional perspective with 16.5k longs and 8.9k shorts, which make the CHF quite strong, which means that EURCHF can easily provide this short-term correction to complete this W formation at least at the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse. So how we will be approaching this potential short-term shorting opportunity here on the pair? Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bullish market as we have right now to an intraday bearish market, and only if the market will shift from an intraday bullish to an intraday bearish market, only at that point we will be adding EURCHF to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the downside and for the market to retrace at least to the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you trade the strategies with me. Every day you get the new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies with the entry stops and take profits. And you can also ask questions and get the answer the same day with the Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in my next video.